Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
In a microsecond, whoop, like that.
Let's talk facts. Bitcoin is up over 100,000% in the last decade. It's been adopted by public companies, sovereign nations, and now has a regulated ETF in the US. Its network has never been hacked. It runs 24/7 and it settles billions in value daily trustlessly. Here is the truth. Michael Saylor said it best. No one who has spent more than 100 hours studying Bitcoin has remained a skeptic. I'll add to that. No one who's actually taken the time to understand Bitcoin's code, economics, or network ever thinks it's going to collapse. You don't have to be a Bitcoin maximalist. But to bet on zero at this point, that's either ignorance or pride. And while Dana Pena is screaming on stage, Bitcoin keeps doing what it was designed to do. Run independently, store value, or adoption. Ask yourself, who do you trust more? The tech being adopted globally, or the guy yelling with zero skin in the game?